Welcome to Look YouTube.
It's showtime.
Preparation. So first, make sure you get your tools out. The first stage, really, of this hugger stuff is just got to pop this plastic rubber off. It really is get a screwdriver. I think, yeah, you're pulling this middle piece up, and what it would do is pop out, and I just got to undo these torques. And it seems that the rubbers will only fit into the big hole. Spacer, rubber. Put this back of the hugger bit, and you can, as long as it's this nice oval, we're pretty certain that you've got it in properly. It's not the same. So the next stage is you need to put the spacers in these rubber grommets. We have got, for the rear hugger on this Kawasaki, we've got Torx on the swing arm. We've got plastic grommet here, and then we'll have a Torx attached to the swing arm, but only one. What I've had to do is actually push in the centre of the plastic rivet. So with a plastic rivet, you have a centre and you have an outer. Now I'm pushing it in, and you hear a click, and that's basically the plastic rivet dislodging itself, and this will effectively pull out. You don't want to ever cross-thread shit, especially with Japanese stuff. And that is the difference between a lot of these different makes, if you like. Attach the chain guard to the swing arm. So you need to line it up with the holes already on the Kawasaki. So that's in. Attach the bracket to the right hand fixing point. Yeah, see, it doesn't even feel the same. This feels better. Your primary point is the centre of the swing arm, the hole where the plastic rivet and the original hugger would go, and you're taking this plastic, and essentially it's going to force its way into that hole and lock into place. And just be aware of, you've also got to think about, make sure you have enough distance to screw into this hole for the rear hugger to attach to the swing arm. Of course, it's not going in a straight line, and all sorts of shit is happening right now. I've got the rear hugger into position. The tree, basically a great big plastic piece with a smooth head. It's now in the centre. So if you actually look at this, I'm trying to get the hammer in there and go dog, 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 dog. We will dent the paint slightly. And what I've had to do is just push it in and work it in with my hands. I think a bit of liquid, any sort of lubricating liquid would have made this job easier. And line it up with this. So you know that adjustable bracket I had? Well, this bolt needs to go through that bracket. I'm definitely going to need spanners. No way you can get a ratchet. That's what we call them over here, ratchets. He loves fetching rabbits. He loves fetching rabbits. Hero wants to know what I'm doing. What am I doing, boy? So, 10mm socket. Spanner, you can leave that. You've got this hole to go through. Clearly, during the manufacturing process, I didn't quite get the holes cut out very well. They would just sort themselves out. There you go. The key to this staying on here is basically the nut. Yep, this is getting nice and tight. Yeah. I think that, my friends, is it. I'm not willing to go any further. That is a rear hugger fitted to an ER-6F, also known as a Ninja 650R in the rest of the world.
The way we...
The little rascal has spewage. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, kid.
chap. Proper job.